welcome back to our channel Enjoy Life. Hope you are all good. Today I am going to share a Bengali traditional dahi potol. It is too tasty. In this summertime, all Bengali families make once and enjoy this yummy dahi potol. So why are you waiting? Let's learn from me this authentic recipe. So let's go to kitchen.
At first I am taking 9 pieces of parwal, potol, and I have removed skin but not fully like this, and cut both inside lightly like this, and adding half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, mixing well, mixing very nicely. Now mixing done. Now I am taking a kadhai, adding 2 tablespoons of refined oil, heating it. Then I am frying parwal. One by one I am keeping into the kadhai and frying lightly. Frying done. It's taken time approx 6 to 7 minutes. Now removing from kadhai. Then keeping aside. In this same kadhai, adding 2 teaspoons of refined oil and 2 teaspoons of mustard oil. If you want, you can use only mustard oil in whole preparation. Now adding 1 splitted bay leaf, half-inch cinnamon, 4 cloves, 1 splitted green cardamom, 1 pinch of hing, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute these. Now adding 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, frying it, frying very nicely. Frying done. Then adding 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and adding a dash of water. Now frying all masalas. Frying done. Releasing oil. That time I am adding half cup of dahi mixed with salt and little sugar. As required, sugar and salt you use. Mixing well, stirring continuously, and taking a boil. Boil is coming. Then I am adding 3 green chilies and adding fried parwal, mixing these, mixing well. Then I am adding half cup of water, then mixing once more. Now I am waiting for a boil and cooking 5 to 6 minutes more. After 5 to 6 minutes, boil is coming and gravy thickened. That time adding half teaspoon of garam masala powder, then mixing well and cooking for more a minute. Turning off the gas, dahi patal is ready. Look the gravy consistency. Now I am going to serve. Now I am serving dahi patal. It is too mouth-watering dish. Putting some gravy on it. Please serve with steamed rice. It is too delicious. You can serve also with roti or paratha, but I prefer with steamed rice.
Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please try this recipe at your home and enjoy Bengali food. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Please to get fast notification of our new videos, keep the bell icon on. Thank you. Stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.